Hey, this is Joey at Best Trailers. I'm gonna show you this covered wagon we just got in. This is a landscaping package trailer. You ever seen landscapers trailers look like they're falling apart? It's because they weren't built quite heavy enough. This one's built with landscapers in mind. You've got the extended tongue. There's a expanded metal grate on the bottom side of the tongue, so you can drop some tools in there if you need to. You've also got a toolbox here on the front. It's got the flat front with the aluminum corners, cap and casting. You've got a big 48-inch side door here. Pull out step on the bottom. We built it with the 5,200 pound axles. Motors themselves aren't very heavy, but you put 3 or 4 of them in there, they get pretty heavy. Semi-screwless exterior on the outside, screws just on the seam, glued on everywhere else. On the back, you've got the extra wide ramp door, which is a standard covered wagon feature. It'll let down, and we've done it with the spoiler on the back and the loading lights. The spoiler helps keep the rain and moisture out of your trailer. Lots of tension on the spring, makes it easy to lift up, a little bit harder to pull down. Now, you've probably seen them. A lot of the flaps tear off when you have a ramp flap on the end. They've eliminated that by adding a knife edge ramp on the end. There's a steel plate. You can hit the lawnmowers on it. Doesn't hurt a thing. You've got treated plywood on the ramp floor. And then on the floor here, we've upgraded you to the 2x8 treated pine floor. So you're getting a much thicker floor, reinforced cross members underneath. Help keep that floor lasting good over them lawnmowers going in and out 3 or 4 times a day. We've added kick plates going down the sides here. That'll help protect it so your lawnmowers don't slam into it. That's not free reign to slam your lawnmower into it though. Try not to let your lawnmower hit it. That just helps protect it. You've got tubing cross members, thermoply sealant liner in the ceiling to help keep it cool during the summer or cooler. You've got 2 shelves up front here, store your gas cans, your hand tools, your weed eaters, whatever you want to store in here. The walls, tubing cross members on the walls, 16 on center. We can add weed eater racks, blower racks, any kind of landscaping tools you want. We primarily do rack equipment for your landscapers. Come see us today. We have your landscaping trailer in stock. They do these in a number of different sizes. Our number is 478-654-5350. We're in Byron, Georgia on 75, just north of the Bucky. We've got financing through Sheffield and nationwide delivery available.